have a lot of inquiry for the people who will be based in Dubai and they will travel to attend the match and they come back. They will consider Dubai or Abu Dhabi as a hub and base for them during this month. We expect during the months of November and December, on top of what we have right now, we expect around 2,500 flights extra to be a shuttle between Dubai and Doha within 2 months. I'm very optimistic that this market will grow every year, more than 5%. We expect to reach $27 billion revenue of this market in 2027. This year they achieved $18 billion as a business aviation. And on 2027 it will have like $27 billion. I expect 2025, 2026 for the commercial airlines to back 100%.